Hi, Shay.
Good afternoon, Abe.
Hey, man. Do you go by Shay or Cheyenne?
Cheyenne. That's
Cheyenne.
my-
I'm sorry. I don't know where I heard Shay from. I think we have a mutual friend who may have said your name before.
Blurham calls me that sometimes.
Yeah. Okay.
Judge. Good afternoon, Judge.
Hello there. How are you?
Hi, Judge. How are you?
Good
Good,
afternoon, Your Honor.
good. Good afternoon. Let me go ahead and call your case. We are on the record and cause number DC 2208-376. Malik Javid Awan versus Hina Amin et al. May I have you all to announce on the record? Let me know your name and who you represent.
Sure. Abe Dakush for the plaintiff.
And
Thank
Judge
you.
Cheyenne Elahi for the defendant.
All right, thank you. This is set today for a continuance. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. This is our
Okay.
first request for continuance.
All right, who would like to take the lead on presenting the court with the continuance?
I'll
I'm
go ahead,
not-
Judge. It's a joint one. Is that? Oh,
Okay.
sorry. Go ahead, Abe, if you want
No,
to.
no, go ahead. Go ahead. If you're ready to go, you go.
Your Honor, obviously you're fighting over who's guest first. So, Judge, it's a joint continuance. Your Honor, my client, Miss Hina Amin, is a small business owner. Your Honor, her daughter has been really sick, so a lot of scheduling has been around her schedule, and Mr. Abe Dakush has been very, very reasonable with that. And Your Honor, we believe that we're almost there. We have some depositions left. There are certain things that have come up in a deposition that was done recently where we may be able to add a party or maybe have a counterclaim possible. So Judge, we were hoping that we could just get one-time continuance. He and I can agree on a new scheduling order and provide it to the court if that is okay. It is the first time we're asking for it, Your Honor.
Okay, and you all have not been reached before on a prior trial setting?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, I will grant the continuance. I see that your motion is asking for April 29th. It is a non-jury trial. Do you know how much time you're going to need with the court to try this case?
No longer than half a day, I think, right?
No, Judge, I think it'll be at least a day, I would think, depending on
Okay.
what happens with the new depositions, Judge, at least a day.
All right. Okay, I just wanted to make sure we reserve the right amount of time with the court's docket. So I will grant the relief that has been requested. I can't provide you whether or not April 29th will be that date or not. I will look at the court's calendar along with my coordinator. We'll identify a date, obviously close to that April 29th date. You
Okay.
should receive today an electronic notice of trial setting, apprising you of the new trial date. Is there anything further before we conclude?
Yes,
Judge,
Your Honor.
go ahead, Abe, sorry.
I was just gonna ask, Your Honor, if we're gonna be allowed to amend the scheduling order. And then if you want us to also have an agreed mediator identified. I'm not sure how the court wants to handle the mediation issue. If
So
it's-
I do want you to submit a new scheduling order once a trial date is confirmed by the court. And again,
Okay.
you should receive a new notice of trial setting electronically. So I want you obviously to work your deadlines based upon that new trial date. But obviously the court is under the assumption that you've done some work to get
Yes.
this case ready for trial. So I really only want that scheduling order to reset whatever is outstanding as of this date. It is standard to go to mediation before you come to trial. So, you know, if you all want to agree on a mediator, that would be great. The only time I have parties come back to the court, they might just say, Judge, we're so far off, mediation is not
Right.
even going to be helpful in this particular aspect. And they give me some evidence as to why they think that might be the case. And in those particular rare instances, then I might waive mediation and get them right to trial.
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect, Your Honor. Your Honor, the only request I will make is that if once you look at when the court looks at the dates, Your Honor, if it's a little beyond April 29, that's okay, Your Honor. Anything a month before or something could be a little we may have some conflicts, Your Honor. A lot of cases are being set.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, I will go ahead, like I said, and make sure that you all get this out today and that the order gets signed and uploaded. All right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you all can be excused. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye.